Want to express a part-to-whole relationship between each data item and the total value? Then pie charts is definitely a great choice. The total value is shown as a sole pie, while each slice represents a numerical value. Let's watch till the end to learn how to create and customize a pie chart with ActivePresenter. Suppose that you want to illustrate the proportions of these ledger activities using a pie chart in ActivePresenter 9. Here are the 5 steps we go. Open the Insert tab, Chart. Select Pie on the left pane in the dialog that pops up, then click OK to finish. Now you are free to adjust the default data values, and it is quite similar to working with cells in Excel spreadsheets. So first, changing the text in the dataset 1 is optional because there is only one dataset applicable in the pie chart. Next, change text in the category cells into names of these ledger activities. And finally, enter your data values and you will see all the changes show up in the chart immediately. In this step, you can choose to show or hide the chart title and legends by clicking on the plus button here. And then freely edit styles for the chart dataset and categories by going to the Chart Properties pane, Chart, then Style. Now, this dataset section allows you to set the line border of the dataset and the border between categories or so. The category means a data value depicted in a color slice. So, click the drop-down category list here to choose one of the categories to restyle. Then, customize the background field of each category. Now, if the default chart layout does not satisfy you, you can change it in the Properties pane, Size and Properties tab, Container Layout. Due to being snapped to the Flex layout by default, chart parts cannot be repositioned manually. So, in this case, just select each chart part, then adjust it in the Properties pane, Size and Properties tab, Flex Chart. Now, after previewing or exporting your project to the HTML5 format, viewers can hover the mouse over the categories to see the data values like this. Working with pie charts in ActivePresenter 9 is quite easy, isn't it? So download the app in the description box now and don't miss out on other upcoming tutorials updated in the playlist right here. See you soon!